Hello and welcome to my channel. As you will see on the screen, there is a single document with the three style of font. So don't worry, it's for the specific function which we will discuss in today's class. In today's class, we will use the short keys for copy, cut and format painter. Okay? So you see this paragraph. The first paragraph is bold, the second is italic style, and the third is underline. So let's start our class. If you are interested in this video, so I request you subscribe my channel, press the bell icon to never miss update. First we use short key for copy. I selected from the first paragraph of two lines and apply short key on the two line Ctrl plus C. Now I want to paste the specific lines which I select through command. I want to paste here. For the pasting, manually we paste from here, but we will use short keys Ctrl plus V. You will see the two lines which I selected previously pasted here accurately, and same to the first style of two lines. The second short key which will I apply and which we learn in today's class is that if you want to select a specific paragraph for this purpose, if you want to cut this paragraph from the first place and paste on another place, for this purpose we use cut function. Manually we use from here, but when we use short key for the purpose, let's explain with a practical work. I select two lines from the second paragraph and apply cut short key Ctrl plus X. So we'll see the two lines disappear from the second paragraph. Now I want to paste here the two lines which disappear from the second paragraph, Ctrl plus V. The two lines which were disappear from the second paragraph really paste accurately according to our need. And third short key which will be apply on this is this. If I want to apply this format on another paragraph which is different from them, so I select two lines for this purpose, and for the format painter short key will use Ctrl Shift C. Now I want to apply this previous function and I want to apply on this paragraph which will be converted to the above paragraph. Just look at it. I select two line here, and for the pasting special format painter Ctrl Shift plus V, the bold two line converted to underline. Look at this. This is the previous state of this two line, and now look at this. This is the apply format painter on the two line. Okay. So let's repeat. In today's class, we will learn short key of cut, short key of copy, and short key of special paste or format painter. Manually we will do this action from here, but when we will be using short key for the copy Ctrl plus C, for the cut Ctrl plus X, and for the special copy Ctrl Shift plus C, and for the pasting special copy Ctrl Shift plus V. So this is the end of the class. I hope you will learn. Thanks for